Hey, Stinkerheads, go and smash that subscribe button. I know you're watching video. Hey, what's happening, Stinkerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go on and smash that like button. You know we're trying to get to 100.
Nah, we go get there. There ain't no trying, my brother. We will get there.
Yes,
We will
sir.
get there.
So in this video, we have the updates and recaps. The updates, we are having some Amaneers releasing that wasn't scheduled to release, so stay tuned for that on the next video. But starting off with the Jordan recaps. Go ahead, my brother.
Also, we had those Jordan 2, the mobs. They came out. This is a women's pair of shoes that came out on, November the 2nd. And the only reason why I forgot the date, because all sizes are still available, right? Once again, all sizes are still available for those Jordan 2, right? Women pair mob on Nike.com. So
Yes,
what we
sir.
got? What else we got next, my brother?
So finishing off that week, we did have the Jordan 1 Reimaged Royals. This did drop on November the 4th. There was rumors that Nike dropped 1 million pairs of these. So if you still need a pair, they are still sizes available. Men's sizes 4 through 15 are still available. So I'm sure if you needed to cop these, it should have been an easy cop for you sneakerheads. But as for me, I decided to pass because they were already going under retail. I may still pick those up at a future date, so stay tuned for that.
Hey, if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.